Paano kung tinanong ka ng panel at wala kang maisagot? Tapos lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Hindi lahat ng tanong masasagot mo agad at hindi lahat ng I don't know ay bagsak. Kapag hindi mo alam ang sagot, huwag magpanik. May professional way para sagutin ito. Step 1, acknowledge calmly. Thank you for that question, sir or ma'am. Step 2, be honest but intelligent. Instead of saying, hindi ko po alam, say this. At this point, that specific aspect was not covered within the scope of the study. However, it is a valuable area for further research. Or pwede din naman na, that is an insightful question. While it was not directly measured in this study, it may be related to. See the difference? Hindi ka nagmukhang unprepared. Nagmukha kang aware sa limitations ng study mo. Tandaan natin lahat ito. Sa defense, hindi ka hinuhusgahan kung alam mo lahat. Hinuhusgahan ka kung paano ka mag-isip kapag hindi mo alam ang sagot. Thank you, my dear researchers.